So I'm here with Giancarlo, the owner of Boston Quality Cleaning Service, and his very valuable customer, Keith Scott. And Keith loved the work from Boston Quality Cleaning Services, and Keith was mentioning here that he found Boston Quality Cleaning Service. Was it on Google? How did you find Boston Quality Cleaning Services?
It was through a Google search. Found Gene. Gene has been great. He's very professional, impeccably clean, with orientation to detail. He just does a great job. He's been cleaning our office and our commercial properties, residential properties for over a year now, and nothing but great things to say about Gene.
Excellent.
Can't thank him enough.
So
It makes me look good, makes the properties look good. Can't say enough.
So you found Gene on Google, and you took the chance based on what you saw on the website, right?
Yes.
And what was your impression right after, let's say, the first 2 weeks or 3 weeks? I know that now after a year everything's like wonderful, but what was the first impression right after the first 2 weeks? It's like I made the right choice.
Yes.
You're
exactly.
really impressed.
It was probably day one.
Day one.
The right choice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Could you real quick, just one last question? Could you mention something about like the work that was done? Like did he complete like a floor cleaning or maintenance of several floors and things like that? Whatever
Gene touches and tackles for cleaning comes out perfect. It's just no questions. It's a perfection.
Just one very last thing. Gene was mentioning about the storage where he stores the supplies, and that there was like a huge variety of top quality supplies, cleaning supplies. And are you happy with the amazing quality of the cleaning supplies that he provides to your office?
He provides us all natural products, and it works. It's green products. They're great. Doesn't leave any kind of smells or offensive odors that some people are sensitive to. He's gone to great lengths to please us that way as well.
Excellent. Thanks so much, Mr. Keith. Thank you.